Yeah, peeps. Chicken ready, Some leg and thigh. Fry them and then I cook them down, Jamaican style. Yeah, man. Tell wife you see me around the kitchen today, because every day she make Kenyan food or Canadian food, So I do some Jamaican food today. Yes, the peas, ready up. Yeah. So I go season the pot, So this is how I season my rice and peas, See there? I have some sweet pepper in the corner there. So I have a scotchman in. I have some ginger over there, so some thyme and some onion cut up and a piece of scallion. Yeah, grace coconut milk, and yeah, me put cock soup in my rice and beans, Some butter and a tip of all purpose. Keep it rolling, Yeah, we have to have a drink while we in the kitchen too. Yeah, man. So you don't know it go. I couldn't see what go on when time the rice shelly down and ready for go with the chicken over there, so. And we'll make some coleslaw on the side, you understand? Yeah, man. So you do it, man, easy,